I didn't really have any concerns per se. I just wanted perfect, straight, white teeth. I think that your smile is your first impression. Wherever you go, wherever you might meet people, whether it's personally, professionally, I think people are drawn to you by your smile. And it's extremely important that you feel proud and confident when you meet people. When you're entrusting someone with your oral hygiene or your smile in general, you want to make sure that they understand how the whole body connects. Your oral hygiene has everything to do with your body systemically, and you want your clinicians to be very well educated, especially when it comes to cosmetic dentistry. I mean, I don't want anyone just putting veneers on me. You definitely have to have a lot of experience, hands-on education.